Good morning. We're leaving Fuck. So I just had a dimmy and a sanger. Good morning. We're leaving Carnarvon today. Headed into Geraldton. Beautiful day. Let's go.
Pipes are dirty. Oh.
Oh, it's the pipe.
And the bike's all dirty. Oh. That's not good.
No.
Ready to get off?
Hey? No, not yet.
A little bit wet.
Oh, fucking bike, fucking filthy.
Poor Soxy.
slow down, white van coming towards us. You're going way too fast. Way too fast. You're going to hit that water at 100k. Slow down. You need to slow down. Yep. Fair dinkum. What a numpty. There's the road to Monkey Mire, Shark Bay. Having fun with tourists, giving them the horns. We shall continue on. Let's have a bit of a squeeze. So the ride so far has been pretty good. We'll touch on the river crossing there, across the road. Got some awesome footage from the drone. It's going to look great. So I just had a dimmy and a sanger here at Billabong. It's pretty good.
Yummy chai latte. Highly recommend.
Yeah. But it's been good. That river crossing. Poor socks though. Dirty socks. Gonna have to give her a wash, but anyway, we're gonna shoot through now and continue on to Gero. Please. Alright, let's go.
With the wind in my hair, got my shades on tight, and I don't have a care. The sun is shining bright, the radio's on fire. I'm chasing the light, fueling my desire. I'm riding the wave, breaking free, I can't be tamed. Feeling alive, no one's gonna hold me. But I'm standing tall, got my feet on the ground, and I'm ready to fall. The sound of freedom's near as the engines roar. The rhythm's loud and clear, taking me to the
pretty good little town, Northampton. It's an old mining town. This pub here burned down a few years ago, redone it
world keeps spinning round, but I'm standing tall. Got my feet on the ground, and I'm ready to fall. The sound of freedom's near as the engines roar. The rhythm's loud and clear, taking me to the shore. Oh, I'm riding the wave, breaking free, I can't be tamed. Feeling alive, no one's gonna hold me. Oh, I'm riding the wave, yeah, yeah. Don't let the music play, let the night unfold. We've got the fire, let the story be told. With every beat, with every sound, we're tearing it up, we're breaking ground. Breaking ground.
So we made it to Gero in one piece. Airbnb, rammed earth joint. Pretty nice out there. Anyway, bedroom, toilet, dunny and all that stuff. So we're kicking back with a frothy. We made it to Gero. Fox is in one piece. Did well after going through three river crossings today. One of them was up to the top of the disc, the heart deep of water, or thereabouts. Did conk out after we got through it, but then got some ripper drone footage. So anyway, that's where we're staying in Gero.
Rudd's Gully.
Rudd's Gully, Gero.
It's
People
nice
don't know
Geraldton.
Rudd's Gully. But anyway, it's a nice place. We're here. Tomorrow home, unfortunately. It's been a bonza trip. Everything's been grouse.
Bolt grass.
The bike, magnificent. It's been brilliant. So can't wait to post some videos. The drone footage is going to be awesome. So we'll catch you on the road tomorrow. Peace.